Okay, another amazing architecturally impressive courthouse. This is the Nassau County Historic Courthouse, 1891. I think all the court business moved to Levy, but I'm not sure. It's definitely not here though. This is, I don't know, maybe it is. I just didn't get the impression from when I did research that this was an active courthouse, but it's not a museum, so you know what. But it's an astonishing architectural situation. I like the clock tower on top. And they added this addition over here. I'm not really focusing too much on that right now, but the windows are old and underwent a renovation in '02. But they didn't replace any of the brick. This is all original brick. The windows kind of look original too, but all the design around it's pretty neat and all original. This is a side entrance. Like the arches. I don't know if this would have been the main entrance or not. Either way, pretty neat. Pretty cool stuff. Might be able to squeeze through those gates, but I'm not going to try. This is about as good as it's going to get for being able to see this. It's like there's some kind of weather vane on top of the clock tower too. Next stop, St. Peter's Cemetery.